Hi everyone, my name is Gregory and I work on the social media content team at HelloFresh, and I'm here to show you how to cook the perfect chicken breast in 60 seconds or less. So the first thing you're gonna do is pat your chicken dry and place it in between two pieces of parchment paper. Step 2, pound your chicken with the mallet until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Season your chicken with salt, pepper, or your favorite spice blend. Pro tip, for extra crispy skin, lightly sprinkle your chicken breast with cornstarch before searing. Heat a drizzle of neutral oil in a pan over medium heat and cook chicken 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown. Remove from pan and let chicken rest for 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, everyone. For more tips and tricks like this, go to HelloFresh.com.